Hey guys, I've got another idiom to share with you today. Today's one is let off the hook. Let off the hook. Sometimes we say let someone off the hook. Now, what does this mean? What this means, guys, is when you let someone off the hook, you let them get away with some bad behaviour that they've been caught doing, but you don't punish them. So let me give you some example sentences. Luckily, the phone rang and I was let off the hook and didn't have to attend the meeting. Yay. One more example. My kids made a right mess cooking lunch. I let them off the hook and I did the dishes. All right, my lovelies, be sure to let someone off the hook. See you next time. Bye, guys.